All right, Tube Nation, what's up? It's your boy Big Big. Welcome back to Beards Tech and Tacos. So, if you weren't paying attention and you're really not part of the beard world like you should be, then you missed out on a great opportunity. So, Friday, let me fix my seat. So, Friday, boom, I get notification through Facebook. Scroll down. I see Scotch Porter, beard samples, free beard samples. I'm like, oh, snap. Let me hit that up. Hit it up. Boom. It's legit. The code works. Get an email. Free beard samples. I'm like, oh, Snap's a different code. So I use a different code. It works. Boom. That's how we got this one. You pay shipping and handling, people. I don't know. Like, I posted a link. Try to get my people on. They didn't want to get on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they ordered or not. But regardless, this is Beard Tech and Tacos. First thing being beard. So that's what we're talking about, man. Let's do this. We're going to set this in the background just so you can see it on me. I already opened it up. I had it on the table and looked like something was leaking. I was like, oh man, don't tell me I messed up. But here. Let's enjoy this one. Bam. So give your meat a treat, show your ham. You give a damn, eliminate the fun from your junk. Your bowels deserve it. Fresh meat, masculine wipes. So, ladies, we got wipes for ourselves. Fresh meat by Scotch Porter. This flushable and disposable. Flushable and dispensable. I'm sorry, that's what it says. So, you know what I'm saying, ladies. If you got a dude that he be funky, but he wants some head or something, man, you get this for him. Yeah, got that. Invoice information. Scotch Porter, the Scotch Porter manual. It's got the brother on the front with the beard, glistening. So you get to go through here, brand ethos. Scotch Porter, you got the shaving cream and stuff like that. You know how you level though. What we create is built for this race. A race made beautiful by a range of colors and textures. Oh, so you know what I'm saying, we can flip through this all day, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna be looking at a whole bunch of dudes. That's not my cup of tea. So let me show you what you get up in here. I'm just gonna pull it out random one by one. So you got the beard wash. It's on there tight. Hard plastic container. Oh snap. Hold on. Doesn't have much of a smell to it. Let you see the ingredients. You can pause and look at the ingredients for yourself and the instructions and the ingredients. Focus there, you know? Yeah. There we go. Okay, it doesn't show the ingredients. But there's not no strong smell coming out of it. And these are hard plastic bottles. They low-key feel like glass a little bit. So you have your hair balm. These hair soft, smooth, shiny. So there's any scent to this. Oh yeah. Not really. It's very, very light scent. Let you see what's going on inside. There you go. You have your beard conditioner. Leaves beard soft, smooth, frizz-free. Hydrate, nourish is what it says up here. Don't got that. Okay, there's a scent to this. Very pleasant. It's light but very pleasant. More noticeable. And you got your beard balm. That's probably one of the most important. Leaves beard soft and shiny. Conditions and moisturizes. So it's pretty dope. Now this was shipped out of New Jersey. I ordered Friday. Got it today, Monday, when you're seeing this video. And the beard balm has the same scent as the beard conditioner, so no opposing smells. So almost slipped up. See, that's why you pull out the bubble. I'm gonna get this to my kids. Me and my kids are gonna turn this up. Everybody knows what you're supposed to do with this. You're supposed to pop every bubble off. So you got a beard serum. See, I almost messed up. Now, I noticed this early, but look. You think it's broken. It's not. That's so it doesn't accidentally come loose. Feel it? Let's listen to it. So what you do, like you know them old medicine containers, them old medicine containers, you take it. Do it right. Yeah. Push it down. As you push it down, you push down and you twist. There you go. Got that. Let's smell it real quick. Yep, same scent as the other two. So no opposing smells. No, this one is glass though. For sure, for sure. This is glass. Talk about the way it's shot. And these are plastics. Yeah, I can. There's flexibility in it. This don't flex. That's glass. So. Yep, plastic. So here you are, good people. Scotchporter brand. This is all you get if you order a sample pack. The sample pack is $45. So I feel like this was a deal. Like you just have to be off your game or don't really care about your facial hair to not jump on this or not be paying attention. If you're really trying to step your beard game up, this is a way for you to get in the door. This was a way. I'm not sure if they still have it going on. You can try the discount code was FREESPB. If you don't believe me, let's let me come up my information. Show you this. Boom. Zoom in. Scotchporter beard and hair sample bundle. $45 quantity 1. Coupon. Free SPB. Knocked the $45 off. I paid $5.95 shipping and handling. I got 2 of them. One in my name, one in my son's name. And my brother, he missed out on it, and his beard looking trash. And I don't need him saying he's my brother and his beard looking trash. So if you missed out on this, man, I don't know what to tell you. This is a great way to get in the door because beard products can get expensive. I got Royal Mane, which is the video I did before this one, and I got 3 products, and it ran me $15. It's originally $24.99. They did a Father's Day special. So this was a great way for somebody who really just couldn't afford it, or you know, you're trying to justify having a beard and there's like, oh, it's not well kept. This was your way to get in the door so you can start taking care of and maintaining your beard. And if you didn't do that with this one, hey, I ain't gonna know. I have no empathy for you. I have no sympathy for you. That's completely on the strand. So please like, share, comment, subscribe so we can keep getting these videos out. I want 500 subscribers so we can pump out even more videos and get better quality. We can start adding in the cool music and effects and all that other stuff. And we can also explore a lot of these beard products that are out there. And, you know, saying some of these other brands, such as, you know, it's like you got your Scotch Porters. There's other brands coming out there saying they're the Rolex of beard care. There's all these brands, and you know, we need to know if they're good or not. And I'm your boy, and I got it. I got you. But I need your help. Help me push this channel to the limit. Ladies, you can help me push the channel too. You know what I'm saying? I'll put you on game. I'll answer any question. If you check my feed, I answer questions within 24 to 48 hours, typically within 24 hours. I have no problem answering any question, and that's completely on the strength. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Once again, thank you for all your love and support. Peace and blessings, and get your beard right with either Scotch Porter, Royal Mane, Touchbody,